They got Whiskey River on the jukebox, a honky-tonk sawdust dance floor, a neon 5 o'clock roadblock, plenty dang many when you want one more. This broke-heart fool on an old bar stool, drinking beer almost as cold as you. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This song was requested, so if you guys have a request, please let me know, and I will let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to get to them. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions and stuff. Please hit like and subscribe and all that jazz. All right, let's get into it. So this song is not in standard tuning because this guitar means it's a half step down. So you could still play it in standard tuning, and it'll just be a little bit different. You'll have to sing it like a little bit higher, but anyway. So yeah, so this is a half step down, no capo. All right. So there's only a handful of chords you're going to use in this song. I'm going to show you the order. I'm going to show you the chords that you're going to play, and then where you're going to play them in the verses and in the chorus and everything. So, and the strumming pattern and stuff. So stick with me. So the chords you're going to use most of the song are D and G. You're also going to use C. Okay, those are the three you're going to use for most of the song. Now you're also going to use A, but you only use A in the chorus. So, okay, so the way the song starts, all right, is you're going to do D, G, D, D, C, G, D. So you notice I'm doing two different Gs. I'm doing this D, and it's just really easy to go from that to this G. Okay, but then when you do C, it's really easy to just go from that C to that G. Okay, but you can do what you want. So you're gonna do D, G, D, D, C, G, D, G, D, D, C, G, and then you're gonna start the verse, okay? But the way you strum that is down, down, up, 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 down. One time slowly. Down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, just like that. And that's actually the way you're gonna strum pretty much the whole song. The way I would play the verses is I would actually palm mute it, or you could play it like that really softly. Okay, like that. But when you do the verses, you're gonna do that same chord progression, D, G, D, D, C, G, okay? So you're gonna do palm mute. Palm muting is putting this part of your hand as close as you can to that part right there, okay? So you're gonna do D. It's just a junked out joint off a back road, blinking window sign with an arrow. Okay, so you're gonna do that. Down, 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 down. Okay, so here's where you play the chords. It's just a junked is where you do D. It's just a junked out joint off a back. Right, back is G, back, road, and then road is D, road. Blinking window sign with an air. So air is where you do C, arrow, and that second half of the row is where you're gonna play G. Arrow, gravel, okay, gravel is D, gravel lot chock full of tool. Okay, so tool is G, toolbox trucks, trucks is D, trucks making their way, making their happy hour way. So way is where you do C, way home. And then when you do when guys like me lose girls like you, you're just gonna do single strums. When guys like me lose girls like you, that's where we run to. And then mute, okay? So you just do two single strums. When guys like me lose girls like you, that's where we run to. Okay, and then you're gonna mute. So for most of the chorus, you're still gonna play that same exact thing. You're gonna do, they got whiskey, so whiskey is where you play D. They got Whiskey River on the juke. Okay, juke is where you do G. Jukebox, and box is D. Box, a honky tonk sawdust dance. Dance is C. Dance floor, floor is G. Floor, a neon, so neon is D. Neon 5 o'clock, broke. Okay, broke is G. Broke, clock. Okay, clock is D. Clock, plenty dang I'm trying not to swear, but plenty dang many when you want to see, want one more. So this is where you play A. This broke hard fool on an old bar stool drinking beer. So beer is where you're gonna do C. So you want this broke. This broke hard fool on an old bar stool drinking beer almost as cold as you. So you would do drinking beer almost as cold as you. So beer would just be C, and you just could do a single strum. You could keep playing it, or you could, on that part, you could even just do down, down, down. This broke heart fool on an old bar stool drinking beer almost as cold as you. And then you're gonna play the intro part again. So you're just gonna do D, G, D, D, C, G, and then you're gonna go to the second verse. Second verse is the same as the first one. Second chorus is the same as the first one. And then after you do that second chorus, you're just gonna do the same starting pattern for the beginning, and then go into that last chorus. They got Whiskey River on the jukebox, a honky-tonk sawdust dance floor, a neon 5 o'clock roadblock. Broke clock. Broke clock, and plenty dang many when you want one more. This broke heart fool on an old bar stool drinking beer almost as cold as you. I'm just on a D chord. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.